Audio CD 2, Track 24, Unit 4. Be careful. Pablo got hurt playing by the hotel swimming pool. He is in the nurse's office. What happened, Pablo? You look terrible.
I fell on a lounge chair and cut my hand.
You have some bruises as well, but you're still in one piece.
Yeah, I'm okay. But look at my knee. It's starting to swell up, and I can't walk right.
I'm going to put iodine on your hand. It's going to hurt.
Ouch! Please don't do that again.
Don't worry, I won't. But I need to tape some gauze over the cut to stop the bleeding.
What about my knee?
Here's a cold pack. It'll help bring the swelling down.
Thanks a lot. I'll bring it back at the end of the day. I've got to go now.
You're not going anywhere. I want you to stay put. I'm going to call your mother so she knows where you are.